If you have students who finish early or are looking to stretch their skills beyond the basics, you can use AI Creator to instantly generate rigorous extension assignments. In this example, I'm teaching a JavaScript class, and I'm teaching if-else statements. I want to come up with an extension activity to challenge my advanced students. I can click the lesson plan button, and then create with AI to get to AI Creator's create from lesson feature. The section and lesson are already loaded, so I need to choose an activity type. I'm going to do exercise for this one, and then I can ask AI to create an exercise by coming up with a prompt. I'm going to ask it to create an activity that challenges advanced students who are ready for more rigor. Within seconds, AI Creator will come up with an activity with a description, a rubric, starter code, and solution code. I can further modify the assignment by using these prompts on the left-hand side or coming up with my own. I can also press the Make Easier or Make Harder buttons to get the activity to the right level of difficulty. As I give AI Creator additional prompts, it'll edit the exercise to match what I just asked it to do. Once I'm happy with the assignment, I'll click Save Changes, Assign. I can assign it to my entire course, or I can select individual students. I pick the lesson, press Assign, and within seconds, it's in my course, ready for my students to complete. With AI Creator, you can push high flyers further without pulling time away from the rest of your class.